In this video, I'll show you step by step how to promote your affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic strategy that's making people thousands of dollars every single month. No need for paid tools or followers, just a proven method to get clicks and sales and so much more. Make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this, okay? So anyway, for people who want to start using Pinterest to promote affiliate links and get free traffic and make commissions, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So this is my affiliate account dashboard, and for you, what you need to do first, just go to Google. This is the first step. Go to Google and search for Fiverr. Search for this website. Click on the first link. Sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Just keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will start promoting as a Fiverr affiliate marketer. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start as a beginner because they are really paying good commissions, okay? Anyway, you can check this website, and to create your affiliate account, you just need to click here on join now. And here you go. As you can see, guys, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have a website, you can choose no. And choose your country from here, okay? And choose your language. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your homepage and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. What you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting on Pinterest, okay? So what you will do next, you will go back to Google and you will search for Pinterest because you need to create a business account with Pinterest. So click on the first link and sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest, okay? And you should know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors, okay? 1 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you are following those steps that I'm sharing with you, because also Pinterest is a search engine platform. It's like Google and YouTube, okay? So pay close attention, please. After you finish your sign up process with Pinterest like this, click on the search bar and let's ask questions. For example, let's put keyword here. So let's search, for example, for Pinterest, okay, marketing. And here you go. You just need to put keywords here and Pinterest will give you the topics that people are searching for right now on Pinterest, okay? You guys can see people search for Pinterest marketing strategy, Pinterest marketing tips, Pinterest marketing business, Pinterest marketing manager. So those people who search for this topic, so they are searching for services, okay? They will be interested to buy this service, okay? You will go back to Fiverr, go back to your home page, click on the search for Pinterest marketing, okay? This one, they will be interested to buy this one, Pinterest marketing service, because those people who search for this topic on Pinterest, they want to grow their Pinterest account, they want to grow their businesses inside Pinterest. That's why they are searching for services about Pinterest marketing, which is really good. So what you will do next, you will search for this service, you will scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. You need to choose a good seller. How you can choose good sellers? Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, or top rated sellers. So for example, let me see like this one. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. This one, guys, is top rated seller. He has almost 5 star, a lot of reviews. This one is good seller. I will click on his service like this. Just click on the service of the seller that you want to use and you will be directly in this seller profile page. What you will do next, you will copy. You guys can see that this service is already working. People keep coming back. This seller has 46 order in queue, which is really good. People paying for this service. It's already working. So what you will do, you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on your dashboard. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link, put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. Just go and open your Pinterest account like this. Let me show you. Go and click on your home feed. Click on create pin. And here you go. You just need to upload a good eye-catching picture here and put title and description. Let's start with the picture. So what we will do next, we will go back to this seller profile page, and this seller has a video which is really good. Okay, I will click here to see if this seller has pictures, and yes, you guys can see that this seller has the pictures here. Let me see if I can find good picture here. Okay, that's really good. So let me see. I will click on his picture. Let's click on this picture here. Double click on the picture and click on save image. Okay, and save this picture to your laptop. Click on save over here like this. And what you will do next, you will go back to Pinterest. Okay, go back to Pinterest and click over here and upload this picture about Pinterest marketing service, this one. Okay, click on open like this, and here you go. What we need to do next, we need a title and we need description. So what we will do, we will go back to this seller profile page and we will copy his title like this, and we will use AI. We will go to ChatGPT. Go and open your ChatGPT account. It's for free. You can go to Google search for ChatGPT and use your email address to sign up, and it's for free. You can just click here on ask anything and ask him turn this title into Pinterest pin title and use good SEO. Okay, and they will put this title here like this and click over here, and here you go. You will get a good title. You guys can see that's a professional and good title. You just need to copy this title and go back to Pinterest and put this title over here like this. Okay, go back to ChatGPT and ask him create pin description from this title, and ask him to create a pin description from this title. And here you go. You will get a good description also that you can use in your Pinterest pin. Okay, go to description, go back to Pinterest and put this description here, paste. Okay, scroll down. You need to put here your affiliate link. So you don't need. So what you need to do next is just scroll down and you need to put affiliate link here, but putting affiliate links directly on Pinterest is not allowed. Okay, so what you will do guys next is you need to create a landing page or an affiliate website or a blog that you can use and put all those services that you want to promote inside your blog or inside your website, and put your website link here. Okay, and to get your affiliate link you just need to go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, okay, to this account, and click here. This is your affiliate link, Fiverr Marketplace new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, go back to Pinterest and put your website link here. So for you need to put your website link here. Scroll down and click here on choose a board. You just need to give it, if you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it time, and you just need to create new one. Okay, and what you will do next, scroll down, go over here to, let me show you, to here. Okay, choose a board. Okay, and if you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one for Fiverr affiliate, and here you need to put tags. Okay, so you can put tags about Pinterest marketing, any tags related to marketing, Pinterest marketing, Pinterest manager. Also, you can go to ChatGPT and ask him to ask him to give you tags related to this pin. Give me tags about this pin, okay? And ChatGPT will give you the tags that you guys can start using. You see this? Pinterest SEO, digital marketing, Pinterest manager. Copy all those keywords. Just copy those keywords and go back to your Pinterest account and put those keywords here. Paste, okay? And after you finish, click on publish. And here you go. You just published your first affiliate link on Pinterest. That's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next video.